On today's episode, Dad's brain doesn't work.
Weird pause. My brain stopped. My brain stopped.
He has some issues with his coworkers.
I'm just gonna wait.
And things get epic.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to Dad Got This. What if I told you that entire epic montage of the burger was a lie? It's not a burger. Well, okay, you know that because you read the title and you clicked on the video. Never mind. The point is, that's not a burger. Not in the real sense of being a burger. That is the Impossible Burger. It is a plant-based fake meat. I've had it at the parks before. I've had it at Epcot Food and Wine before, but I actually found it in my grocery store. So I figured I was going to try and cook up a burger myself and see how this thing really tastes. I've only had little small tastes of it. But weird pause. My brain stopped. My brain stopped. I just didn't know what to do next. We're going to go ahead and cook one up. We're going to cook it actually to like a medium rare because apparently it even has like a little bit of that like juicy myoglobin look or the blood that some people think. It's not blood in your hamburger. They've drained all the blood. Total tangent. Never mind. Let's cook up an Impossible Burger. See if these things are any good. Oh, I should get the meat. This is the Impossible Burger. It's made from plants, apparently. It doesn't feel like meat. It has a harder texture to it. You can definitely, feeling the raw item, you can tell it's not meat. We'll go a little bit more so we can get a real nice sized patty. And let's see how they... Okay. Working it with your hands, it's crumbly. You can feel it being a little crumbly. It's like when I press it into the patty, it starts breaking apart on the edges. But I mean, kind of looks like ground beef. Now, we will turn on the pan. A little bit of oil. These induction cooktops, you don't want to turn them on dry. They will overheat the pan and it'll mess up the pan and the element. It's just not a good thing. These heat up pretty quick, so this shouldn't take very long. To keep things simple, we're just gonna go with fresh ground black pepper and some sea salt. I wanna be able to taste the meat, or the meat. We'll do that a lot. Wait, no, now we wait. We just wait. Doesn't smell like ground beef. I don't even know what it smells like. I can't put a finger on it. Well, I just did put a finger on it, but I can't place the smell. I want my pan really hot because I want to get a good sear on the outside while keeping the inside kind of that medium rare. Because apparently you can do that on these things. Okay, we got a little smoke. So where there's smoke, there's fire. So we're gonna season the first side a little bit. That's going to go down in the pan. Season the other side. Here's something interesting. It actually smells like cooking beef. We'll give it a quick flip. That looks like a burger. If you just showed me that, I'd be like, yeah, that's a burger. Now I am gonna sauce it up and put some sauce and lettuce and tomato and cheese to really give it that burger flavor. I'll probably try a chunk of it with nothing, but I want to make it a facsimile of how I would actually eat it. We'll turn it down a little bit, let it cook while I go get the other ingredients for the burger. One more flip. Here's a little trick for steaming and melting the cheese in your pan.
Be careful. When you're pouring water into a pan that has hot oil in it, you could get splatters. So if you have too much oil in there, you might not want to do this.
Throw a tiny bit of water. Hit the lid, pick up your tent. That's gonna go ahead and start sizzling and making this cheese really fuse to the patty. Perfect. Bun. This is just a quick sauce I whipped up. It's ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard with a hint of lemon juice for a little tang. A couple slices of tomato. And our top bun. Time to give this a try. I mean, if you handed this to me at a restaurant, I'd be like, that's a burger. Does it taste exactly like beef? No. Does it taste good? Yeah. Actually does. I kind of like it. It's actually really good. I think we're gonna get video bombed here in a second. Hi! You guys know the kiddo. Daddy made a fake burger. It's a vegetarian burger.
Can I try the cheese?
You wanna try the burger?
Mm-hmm. Not the lettuce though.
Take a little bite of this part.
Mmm.
How's it taste? Does it taste like a burger? Holy cow, this tastes like a burger. Let me see if I can get you a close-up.
See that? You can actually see there's like, it looks like a medium burger. It's got red in it.
All right. If you're trying to eat less meat, but you love burgers, this is definitely an option. I would gladly eat this. I'll have to go back and look up the price. I can't. What? What are you doing? I'm gonna have to look up the price, but it's good. I know it's more expensive than regular beef, but it is a good option if you're trying to eat less beef. Now, I've heard arguments that it's technically not more healthy because there's a bunch of stuff in here, oils and different fats and stuff like that they put in there to make it beefy. So it's technically, I don't know if it's healthier. I'm just gonna wait. You think she'll run out of energy? If you're a nutritionist or something and you know if this Impossible Burger is technically healthy or not, let Dad know in the comments. Other than that, I would say this was a pretty epic experiment. I would eat this any day of the week. I'm really happy with it. Actually, I'm gonna finish it for my lunch here today. Maybe the kiddo will have one because she seemed to like it. That's all I can think of. Would you guys think of Dad's new B-roll and editing style and filming style that I'm working on? You like it? Let me know in the comments. What do they need to do?
Click that subscribe button right there and turn on your notification. And if you're a food scientist, just comment down below, please, if you know if this is healthy or not healthy.
She's a pro, man. She is a pro. That's it.
Thanks for watching. Bye!
You guys know, even when the kiddo steps on Dad doing his not outro, Dad doesn't do outros.
So
So
that's it. Bye!
Kids, I say never to work with them. I love that kid. I'm going to continue to work with her, but it ain't easy. It ain't easy being dad.
For more fun and easy recipes, visit dadgotthis.com.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell.
I double dog dare you.
Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.